Yo guys, what's up? It's me, Francis, and let's get cooking. Today we're gonna be cooking a salmon poke bowl, one spicy, yeah that's it, with sriracha sauce. Sriracha. And another one, not so much, without the sriracha sauce. Sriracha. The other ingredients are right here. Salmon obviously, avocado, spring onions, lime, sriracha, soy sauce, sesame oil, ginger, seaweed, wakame, mangoes, spice things up a little. So, let's get cooking. Because we already made our sushi rice with some mirin, salt, and sugar, let's make the sauce for the salmon. Okay, I'll put some music on this anyways. So guys, I just want to say thank you for watching my second ever video on this channel. How to make a poke bowl. Hopefully it helped you guys at least a little bit. I would know it wasn't the best, but it still tasted pretty good regardless. If you want to see anything else, leave a like and comment down below, and reply to all of them, and I'll read all of them, and I'll try to do whatever you guys say, because that's what YouTube's about now. Anyways, please leave a like, subscribe, and turn your notifications on, I guess, if you do that. Hopefully the next video will come a bit quicker. But regardless, thanks, and see you guys in the next video.